Da, 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 da. What could it be? Hey everybody! One of the most common questions I get asked as a sex educator is, how do I prepare for my first period? Girls ask me this, parents ask me this, how do I prepare for my girl's first period? And I think it's really important to prepare. So I designed a new way to prepare, which is both fun and educational, which I want to show you today. So, what do you need in a period preparation kit? Well, obviously, if you've never had a period before, you want to have a couple things ready, depending on what surprise you might get. So the first thing you might have is a panty liner, pad, tampon, menstrual cup, a bit of lip balm. Where do you put all this? You might want to put it in a conventional bag like this if you're boring. But I've come up with a really cool bag that you can use to put all your menstrual supplies in. Now, it looks a bit like something you might have seen. Da, 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 da. What could it be? Yes, it's your uterus! So I thought that it would be really fun to have a bag that you can put all your menstrual supplies in while reminding yourself and others how periods happen, so that you can always care for your periods in a knowledgeable way. So first thing, let's look at all the different components of this bag. You have the ovaries, you have the fallopian tubes, you have the uterus, the cervix, the vaginal canal, and the vaginal opening. So the first thing I'm going to do is put things into the vaginal opening. Now, maybe start with your lip balm, and you might have a tampon. Put in there, and then you can just shut that. And then if you just turn this bag inside out, it becomes a compact little pouch like this. So in here you can put a panty liner, you can put a pad, and you can also fold up your panties real tight like that and put them into the bag as well. There you go. And then you can also fit menstrual cup if you start to use one. Bit snug, but it'll fit. Yeah, and then you just tie it together like that. And I made the fallopian tubes really long so that if you ever find yourself in a place where you can't put down your menstrual bag or your supplies, you can hang it over the doorknob or like a coat hanger, so that you can simply undo one and get to what you need. So that's what you put into a menstrual supplies bag, and I hope you get a cool one like this one.
Hello my friend, you're here again. Sometimes you're punctual, sometimes you're late. When I don't expect you, you cause a stay. But no shame, it's just a little blood, period. You're as natural as the hair on my head. There's no need to hide or shy away. I try to love you, but there's so much pain. But no shame, it's just a little blood, period.
drink to myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight, don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. 난 너를 생각해. From your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Too soon. I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. I spend the summer in this beach house. Cause I will try to play my part. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot
angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it.